You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. There's different pronunciations. It's the name of a bird. It's also the name of a currency, especially in Guatemala. So we need to look at the Spanish pronunciation, the way it's said in South America. It's pronounced as Quetzal. Quetzal. Yes, Q-U is pronounced K in Spanish, and then Sal. Guatemalan Quetzal. In English, however, it's generally pronounced as Quetzal, Guatemalan Quetzal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.